Amid fear among residents in Montego Bay, St. James over the last 2 weeks, the city's mayor, Homer Davis, is again expressing confidence that law and order will be maintained. Residents raised concerns before the state of emergency was lifted, but as it turns out, there continue to be gun-related crimes in the parish. TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
Where are the guns? A question frequently asked before the state of emergency was lifted in St. James at the end of January. From January 18 to December 2018, the police recovered over 100 illegal firearms in the parish, but many have insisted that figure is small. Montego Bay's Mayor Homer Davis is confident that more guns will be seized.
Little by little, some discoveries are being made. As a matter of fact, this year, the information that I have is that we have recovered more firearms at this time, this year, over last year at the same time.
The police presence remain, with strategic operations in sections of the parish, but by all indications, residents remain fearful. Like this man who gave his name as Foster, who spoke about the safety of his children.
Last night I was talking to one of my sons, and he told me I'm afraid to come out because he lives at roadside, and I was afraid to. I tell him it's a long time that I'm going to look for him, and say, boy, I can't leave because top can't go bottom and bottom can't go top. I feel real bad, man, real scared. We're scared of them real bad, because we work hard for them, I won't like to lose them, and they're kind of young, sometimes you can be at the wrong place at the wrong time,
There were similar testimonies from other residents who did not wish to appear on camera. The day after the state of emergency was lifted, a man was murdered in Salt Spring, and another man was killed on Monday night along King Street in the town. Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson has assured the security presence will be maintained in the parish even if it's operating with less powers than it did during the state of emergency. For Mayor Davis,
I would expect with the vigilance of the police, persons who would normally feel more comfortable in moving around with their firearms.
So with all eyes on the parish once labeled the Wild Wild West, the residents of St. James want it all to end.
I will heap of love one them will lose that they see it. All because I don't love, you see me, no get together, you see me daddy, in a real life, and life so precious and great we're in a world, we have to appreciate life daddy, because no money can get no youth that, you see it.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.